Hi! Today, I am gonna tell you how to make your Mac look aesthetic. First, have a look at the unchanged Mac. Let's begin by first going to unsplash.com. In the search bar, search for Mac wallpapers. Then, choose a wallpaper according to your taste. I'll choose this one. Click on Download Free button here. Next, search Google for red folder icon. The icon and the wallpaper are given in link in the description box as well. Open the icon after downloading and copy that. Then, right-click on any folder of your choice and select Get Info. Now, click on the folder icon and paste the new one. Furthermore, go to fleetwood.com and download the screensaver. When downloaded, install the new screensaver. The next thing to do is to search Chrome Web Store on Google. Then apply a theme which suits you the most. And finally, at last, go to Settings, then click General and change the highlight color. And you are done.